Good morning, children. I welcome you to our maths class. So, children, the topic for today is comparing numbers. What do you see on the screen? Yes, you can see two books and two balls. So, we can compare between these two books and then these two balls. And when I compare, I can say that the book to the left hand side is a fat book and the other one is thin. The ball to the left hand side is a small ball and to the right hand side is a big ball. So, children, we can compare between the objects. Comparison is done between more than one object of same kind. So now we will see how to compare numbers. But before that, let's start with a crocodile story. Now children, this is a story of a crocodile who is very hungry and always keeps on eating one or the other thing. One day it went to a pond and there it could see that there are few fishes to the left hand side of the pond or to his left hand side and few to his right. But this crocodile is really hungry, so it always opens its mouth to the side where there are more things to eat. So here you can see the crocodile is looking to both the sides and it found out there that to the left hand side there are 4 fishes, whereas to the right there are 8 fishes. So it opened its mouth to the number that have or to the side that has more fishes. That is 8 fishes. So children, can you see the sign that is formed by the crocodile mouth? So you can see the crocodile is opening its mouth to the greater number. This is how we can learn and understand how to use the symbols. These are the symbols that we use to show greater than, less than and equal to sign. In the greater than sign, you can see the bigger number is to the left of the sign and the smaller will be written to the right of the symbol. In the less than sign, the smaller number will be written to the left of the symbol and the bigger number will be to the right, and you can see that is how the crocodile will open its mouth. So that is the less than sign. And the last one, when both the sides have the same number, so we will be putting equal to sign. Here in front of you, you can see that there are 6 balls on one side and 4 balls on the other. So how do we compare them? We can write that 6 is with a greater than sign, that the crocodile mouth is open towards 6 because 6 is the bigger number, and 6 is greater than 4 is a smaller number, and we read it as 6 is greater than 4 because this is the greater than sign. Now in the second picture you can see there are 4 balls on one side and 6 on the other. Here we will write it as 4 is to the left of the symbol and 4 is less than 6. This is the less than sign, wherein again the crocodile has opened its mouth to the number 6 because out of 4 and 6, 6 is the bigger number. Now let's see the last one, that is the 4 balls on one side and 4 balls on the other. So here both the sides have the same number, so we can say that 4 is equal to 4. So that's why both the sides have the same number, and this is the equal to sign. So children, Now we have compared only one digit number. Let's see how to compare two digit numbers. Here, whenever we compare a two-digit number, we will always start comparing from the tens place first and then the units place. Let's see how. So children, I have shown you again with the crocodile. The crocodile is opening its mouth to the bigger number because the number that is in front of you is 67 and 76. So here in 67, as I told you earlier, we will start comparing, or we will first find out which is bigger in the tens place. So 6 in 67 is in the tens place and 7 in number 76 is in the tens place. So children, 6 is less than 7. So we can say that 67 is less than, that is the less than sign you can see, less than 76. Children, now you can see two numbers on the screen, 58 and 56. Let us find out which one is the bigger number and which one is a smaller number. So as I said earlier, in a two-digit number, we will always start comparing from the tens place and then we will move on to the units place. Here, in number 58, 5 is in the tens place and number 56, again 5 is in the tens place. So, 5 is equal to 5. So, we don't know whether which number is bigger. So, let us move on to the units place. So in 58, 8 is in the units place and 6 for 56, 6 is in the units place. So children, we know that 8 is greater than 6. So we can say that 58 is greater than 6. And this is again 58 is a bigger number. So the crocodile mouth is open towards the bigger number. And the sign that we use is the greater than sign. So we read it as 58 is greater than 56. So children, I hope you understood how to compare numbers. We will be using the same technique while learning about ascending and descending order. Thank you.